Today, we are going to learn how to use Lightshot screenshot tools. First, we are going to open Google Chrome and search for Lightshot. We enter google.com. We enter Lightshot. Press enter. We're going to click the link here and then we're going to choose Window version. After the download is done, we're going to run the setup file or double click here and then follow the installation setup. Just accept next and done. Click finish here and now we are going to go here on our taskbar. Press right click. We go to the option and we check hotkeys. We can replace any keys here, but for me, I am going to choose print screen key. Okay, so I'm going to press print screen key and make a rectangular space. So what I want to print screen. So that's it. So we can use pen. We can use straight line. We can make arrow. We can make rectangular shape. There's also a marker here, and we can insert text. And we can also change the color of it. What color you want, or this one. And there's also a undo button. And after you're done, you can save as and save. And you can open here and here's your screenshot. There are also another method to use it. You right click here and take a screenshot. You can also copy on a clipboard and you can paste it in Word pad or in Microsoft Word. Blank document and paste it here or Control V. That's it. You can use it well now. Please hit subscribe and like button if you find this video useful. Thank you.